Hey guys, I have come with the next project, brain tumor classification. So, in this tutorial, we are going to implement a brain tumor classification using convolutional neural network in deep learning. We will train the model on the brain images, and after training the images, our model classifies whether the person has a brain tumor or not with the help of the given brain images. And in this project, I defined my own CNN architecture and trained model on the brain images. And after training the model, it gave me 91.66% validation accuracy. Okay, so let's start the project. So first of all, import all the required libraries like operating OS, SHUtil, warnings, TensorFlow, image data generator, PIL. PIL stands for pillow, CV2, and etc. So import all required libraries for train my model and test model, test my model. Okay. Then the next step is to remove the warnings, remove which are generated at the execution of the code. So we are ignore the warnings. Okay. Then I create a list of yes images means who has tumor. Okay, yes images and no images. Yes type contain all the images who has tumor, and no type contains all the images who has no tumor. Then it shows the top 5 images, who has a tumor images. Then again show that top 5 images who has no tumor, brain tumor. Okay. Then the next step is to data pre-processing. Data pre-processing means data augmentation. Okay, so here give a dataset path and image data generator. Image data generator basically used for creating multiple images from the existing image. But here I used the one attribute validation underscore split is equal to 0.1%. Like if we have a 100% data, so we divide the data into 90-10 ratio. Okay, so 90% data used for training and 10% data used for validation. Okay, so data pre-processing. After data pre-processing, here no, 0 stands for no and 1 stands for yes. Okay, so after data pre-processing, I implement my own CNN architecture. Here I use the sequential model, then I define a con 2D layer, then max pool 2D, then again con 2D, then again max pool 2D, then again con 2D, then again max pool 2D, then define my flatten layer to convert into the vector, then again define my dense layer, and this is my final output layer. I used here sigmoid activation function because this is a binary classification problem. Then check my summary, then compile my model. Then here I used a checkpoint. Checkpoint is basically used to save the model where we got a better validation accuracy. Okay. Then train my model. Here you can see like uh, like here I got 62% accuracy. Then my model saved at 62%. Again, I got 79% accuracy. My model saved at 79%. So this is a working of checkpoint. Okay. And after train the model, simply load my model, define my test function for test the model on the custom images. I gave a custom image for test, and this is this image who has a tumor, and I check that my model classifies correctly or not. So my model classifies correctly. You can see that person has a tumor. Then again give my image, and again it predict correctly that person has no tumor. So this is my brain tumor classification in deep learning using a convolutional neural network. So if you are interested in machine learning, deep learning, NLP, so you can follow my this blog. I post here different projects related to NLP, DL, ML, etc. So you can follow this blog if you are interested in data science. Okay, thank you guys. We will meet you in the next project.